McLaren Elva, McLaren's newest addition to the Ultimate Series. An open-top, lightweight, windshieldless hypercar limited to 149 units, selling for upwards of $2 million. The McLaren Elva is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 producing 804 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. It will take the Elva from 0 to 62 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds and 0 to 124 miles per hour in just 6.7 seconds. The Elva utilizes McLaren's new active air management system. It diverts high-speed airflow up and over the cabin to create a turbulence-free zone for the driver and passenger without the use of a windshield. There's also a massive active rear spoiler and an auto DRS mode to reduce drag and enhance acceleration. The Elva sits among the ranks of the Ferrari Monza and Aston Martin Speedster, the other open-top windshieldless hypercars in the segment. While these cars may not be the most practical for everyday use, for those who can afford them, they offer an unrivaled open-top driving experience that I can only imagine. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Elva and the other open-top windshieldless hypercars. If you aren't already, be sure to watch in 4K for the best viewing experience possible. Subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Now enjoy the rest of the video. Peace.